uCertify offers C#9 and .NET 5 course prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the C#9 and .NET 5 course today with uCertify. The course provides skills required for managing and querying data, monitoring and improving performance, and working with the file system. In this uCertify course, you will receive pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. The course consists of interactive lessons and learning resources with flashcards, quizzes, and glossary terms. It has video tutorials to make your learning more interactive. uCertify comes complete with hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you will receive post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. The course has Prep Engine, which provides different sets of questions to prepare for the exam in the test environment. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will gain an understanding of the following concepts: flow control and converting types, interfaces and inheriting classes, common .NET types, how to query and manipulate data using LINQ, how to improve performance and scalability using multitasking, how to build websites using ASP.NET and Model View Controller Pattern, how to build intelligent apps using machine learning, and how to build web user interfaces and cross-platform mobile apps. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.